guys, just wanna show you guys. This is the son, the great grandson of that bird who started it all. I'm gonna put a picture up here. Who started it all, and yeah, that's my foundation cock. And yeah, guys, just a nice bird. Yeah, it's really it's really fighting. Yeah. So yeah, guys, really nice bird. Medium size cock, medium size. Yeah, I like those type of size cocks. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.